Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide the page from menu in Wix at 2026. So actually guys, we'll go with hiding the page from the menu, and that's the recommended method. So actually this hides the page from your site menu but keeps the page published and accessible via direct link. So actually guys, the first thing is to log into Wix. So you will need to make sure that you already logged with your account to the wix.com website, and after that I do really want you to go and click on my site right here, and then just go with all sites. Okay, so click on go to all sites, and after that just choose that site that you want to hide a page from menu on. Okay, so just select it and then go with design site. So you will be forwarded into Wix website editor, so we will need just to wait for it to load. Okay, and then I do want you to go with the left menu and then go with pages and menu. Okay, so click it, and after that you will need to find the page that you want to hide and click the three dots next to that page. Okay, and after that just look for hide from menu, click it, and right now the page will not appear in the navigation menu and will still be accessible if someone has the link. Okay, so the second method is to hide the page from visitors. Okay, so the members only can see it, or private only you. So if you want the page hidden from everyone except specific users, you can go and click on the three dots, and after that just go with settings, then select the permissions option, and after that choose the password holder or site members. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.